Hi, I'm Sylvia from Learning New Creations, and I'm just going to show you today a quick little project in the hoop one to do this cute little birdie. Doesn't take very long. You get your hoop ready, your 4x4-inch hoop with your stabilizer. You can just use medium weight stabilizer. 2 bits of felt, approximately 4 inches by 4 inches. And you can have a little ribbon if you choose so to put on so it can hang in a tree or wherever you like to hang it. So let's get started. I've placed the hoop in the machine and now we're going to stitch out the first color, which is a placement line where you're going to put your fabric, and there's nothing in there except the stabilizer. Done the placement line, and now we're going to put our felt on top. His little beak is going to come here, so we got to make sure we go well past that, otherwise you don't get his beak in the fabric. So make just about like that. You can tape it down. I cheat and I don't, but make sure you know it's secure. And now we're going to put the hoop back in the machine. It's now going to secure the felt. So here you use the color that you're going to use as the outline. Stitch the outline of the bird, and you see I got enough room here for the little beak. And the next color is going to stitch out its eye, and I do that in black, but you can use whatever color you like. Okay, there is then the eye, and the next thing it's going to do is the little wing. And again, I do that in green, but you can choose whatever color you like. Right, it's done the little outline of the wing, and next is going to do the little red bubbles on it, and again you can use whatever color you choose. So it's finished doing all the little red little circles there, and next we're going to do the gold little star. So now it's done the star, and now we're going to put the other fabric at the back. This is the back of the hoop, so we're going to, if you want a ribbon there, you're going to place that there and tape it down. So place the fabric over the outline, making sure again you got enough room for the beak here, and I'm going to tape that down. So it's all taped down now, and then we're going to put the hoop back in the machine. I've put the hoop back in the machine, and the next color you have to use the same color as you're going to use for the outline of the bird. And this is going to secure the back to the front. After having done the outline, it's now going to stitch the beak, so you have to choose the color for your beak. I'm going to do it a light brown. that's the beak done, and the last stitch you have to use the color again for the bird. So I'm using the red, and it's going to do the blanket stitch. So I've finished stitching out now, and what we're going to do is remove it from the hoop, remove the stabilizer, and then carefully cut around the edges. And here they are, all cut out and ready to hang on the tree or wherever you would like to hang them. This is really quick to do. It on my machine it says 8 minutes, so if you've got a slower machine, maybe 10 minutes to stitch out. And you can also do them in multiple hoopings, and if you don't know how to do that, I will do it for you. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Until next time, goodbye.